Dad, how do you know university is right for you?
Son, there's nothing as life-changing as going to a great university. From the very first moment you walk through the gates, you realize your life will never be the same again. You feel the aura of being in the presence of people with great minds from different walks of life. That's when you'll know you are at the center of excellence and high academic standards in a place that nurtures competitiveness, scientific inquiry, critical thinking, and innovation.
Nile University of Science and Technology. Unleash your talents with the top-notch faculties, modern facilities, and a vibrant campus life. Join our diverse community of learners and achievers. Apply now and shape your future with us. For more information, please visit us at www.nas.edu.so.